Concurrency is provided in NIM using async await syntax. This feature is powered by the asyncdispatch module. Note that concurrency is not parallelism. All the examples here are async functions that run on a single thread. This is mainly useful for I/O intensive tasks. Okay, so here we have more of a JavaScript version of async await where, it's all in one thread. This is somewhat managed. So if you're waiting here, some other thing will be activated in the meantime. A general example looks like this. So we import that asyncdispatch and we create procedure IO manager. Okay, we give it some ID, which is a string, and we mark it as async. Okay, so that will probably mean that we can call await in it. For I in 1 to 10, okay, wait for some async process like await sleep async. Okay, so this will basically wait for it, so it will be executed, code won't be executed forward. It will just wait for this whole thing to finish. And we do echo ID and concatenate with run, and we got the number, okay? And then we do let, we create 2 IO managers, A and B. They'll be doing both things, printing those runs for A and B many times. And then we have wait for MA and MB, which is MA and MB. This should see up like this. We have AB, 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 because they wait for each other, I guess. If this one is waiting or the other one is going to start, and then back and forth. So this way, for this time where we're sleeping a little bit, they can just kind of optimize and do things in a nice, fast way. Okay, so this is just like JavaScript. When you have a lot of things going on, it makes sense, definitely. Showing interleaved function completions. Exactly. Async functions are tagged with the async pragma. These functions can now use the await keyword to wait for async procedures. In the example above, we have used wait for on 2 async functions, so the execution blocks until both functions are run to completion. Yeah, I really like this and here. I really like that. An alternative option is run forever, which blocks waiting indefinitely for all asynchronous functions. Okay. You may also find Peter's article on async programming helpful. Let's open a new tab, and that's from 2021, so before 2.0, but not too old, and we have some interesting article to read. I'll definitely save it and read it probably off stream. And higher async modules. The underlying async dispatch modules is used by several higher level modules like async file for async file operations, async net for async networking, and async HTTP server for async HTTP server. Okay,